Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the basic operation of the desktop. That is a part of the chapter number second, Introduction to MS Windows 10. And we are going to revise the part of the basic operation of the desktop. Okay. So let's see the page number 17. Okay. So we have to start with the basic operation of the desktop. So which are the basic operation? The first basic operation of the desktop is to open is the basic operation of the desktop. What is the use of open command? It open the folders. It open the icon. It explore the icons. Okay. For example, you can see. And every time, remind, every time you have to use the shortcut menu of the mouse. How to open this shortcut menu? You have to right click the mouse button. Okay. And you will get this shortcut menus. Okay. Again, I will repeat. I will close it, maximize it, close it again. And again, I will show this right option of the mouse, right menu of the mouse, or you can call it as a shortcut menu using right option of the mouse. Okay. After opening the shortcut menu, you just have to click on open command and this icon will be open. This is also called as an interaction with icons. Okay. So this is opening of desktop icons is the basic operation of desktop. Okay. Let's see the second part, that is moving desktop icons. How to move a different icons. First, we have to use a auto arrange. Okay. These are the different icons. For example, this is Zoom icons, my computer icon, hidden icons, folder, school video folder icons, okay, etc. So I have to move all these icons. Okay. So this is called as a moving of icons. You just drag and drop to another location. This is also called as a moving of icons. But we have to perform all these moving of folders, moving of icons with the help of shortcut menu only. Okay. So here you have to right click on the desktop. Sorry. Right click on the desktop and you have to view in, for example, auto arrange icons. You can see, right click on the desktop and auto arrange icons. View alignment icons to grid. You can see. Okay. Now you can see all the icons are disabled. Okay. So that is auto arrange icons and alignment icons to the grid are disabled automatically. Now show the desktop icons. You can see the icons are arranged. Again, view auto arrange disable, alignment icons disable, and again I will set for large icons so you can clearly auto arrange. This is called as a auto arrange, and this is alignment icons. So properly it is icon. For example, okay, see. Now I will click on auto arrange. Please check out the observations. Again, I disable all the functions. Okay. So because of auto arrange icons, it is arranged properly in a lines. These vertical lines, these horizontal lines, these all are grid line structure. Okay. So let's see with next option, that is sorting option. Okay, so some view option are left. For example, we have seen large, okay, small icons, for example. Okay, so let's see with small icons. Okay, so these kind of a icons which is used to arrange the icons, to sorting the icons. Okay, for example, we are sorting according to name. So it will be sort according to name. Okay. Then again, for example, I will sort it by the size. So it will be sort according to size. This is called as a sorting of files and icons. Again, for example, I want to sort it by the according to date and modifications. So it will be sort according to date. So you will have three types of sortings. Sorting means you have to arrange that icons in proper arranging, that is ascending orders or descending orders. That is called as a sorting. So you have to sort according to name. You have to sort, you can sort according to size. Please observe the changes in the icons and files and folders here in the left corner. Then sort according to item types and sort according to date. तो यहाँ पे आप नेम वाइज आप उसको सॉर्टिंग कर रहे हैं फाइल्स फोल्डर्स को और आइकॉन्स को, यहाँ पे उसकी जो साइज होती है उसके हिसाब से, और ये टाइप जो होते हैं फाइल टाइप, वर्ड टाइप, एक्सेल टाइप, वीएलसी मीडिया प्लेयर टाइप, ये जो फाइल के टाइप होते हैं अलग अलग, पीडीएफ फाइल, वर्ड फाइल, इस तरह के जो टाइप होते हैं उस टाइप वाइज सॉर्टिंग करता है. ये लास्ट मॉडिफिकेशन के हिसाब से करता है, डेट मॉडिफिकेशन. ओके, देन ओके, so that's it. Thank you very much.